Healthy vibes, a recipe for life. Join our mission, share the joy, don't think.
Hello everybody, today we're making 낚지복음, aka octopus stir fried. This is a very popular dish in Korea, especially it goes well with soju. It's not difficult to make, but it's hard to make well. There are some secret methods that we use, so please stay tuned. Don't worry about the ingredients because they will be posted at the end of the video, so keep watching. Thank you and enjoy. You can adjust the spiciness by adding more chili or taking some out. You can put more chili powder or less chili powder according to your taste. To get the most flavor from the vegetables, try to cook the scallions and the onions as long and as hot as possible. Try to get a little burn in it, then you will get more flavors out of it. And don't over fry your octopus because it's going to get all soggy and rubbery. Maybe just stir fry for about 3 minutes.
It's a small one. Alright, we have 3 different sizes of octopus. Now we're going to clean it. First we'll soak it in flour. The flour will suck all the mud and the dirt from the sea. There's a lot of them on the legs, so be sure to get all the flour on the tentacles. Okay, it's been about an hour and now you can see everything has turned brown, and now we're just going to wash everything off. Nice and clean. Now everything is nicely clean. Now we're going to chop it up. You want to make bite-sized pieces. Not too small. Remember, it's going to get smaller because it shrinks when you cook it. Alright. This is the body. Just cut right above the eye. Eye out again. This is a good size. Now this is the body. Stir fry.
After stir frying, you can leave it in the fridge. A lot of water is going to come out. The reason why we do this is to prevent too much water coming out of the octopus. You can see already so much water here. We're going to throw all the water out later when everything comes out. Okay, let's chop up the vegetables now. Okay, let's make the sauce now. 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon plum concentrate, 6 tablespoon chili powder, I'm using the fine one for the color. You can see the difference. The coarse pepper is much darker actually, so the color is much better if you use the finely ground peppers. 2 tablespoons gochujang, 3 tablespoons of syrup. We use the Korean syrup. It's sometimes called oligodang. We have many kinds, but you can use any. It's just a smoother, sweet taste compared to just normal sugar. So all the flavors are now blended in together. When it starts bubbling, we're done. Okay, now we're going to chop everything up. A lot of flavor comes out from these vegetables, so put as much as you want. Now for these, you want to cut them sideways, like this.
Provide the recipe for life. Join in our mission, share the joy, don't think twice. Nutritious meals, they change the game. Alright now, feel the flavor, taste the love is our vow. Arrange your cooking, watch your health take flight. With every bite you'll know we're feeling right. Joe Chef, create a treat so tasty. Healthy goals, our path is clear and bright. Flavors bold, but health is what guides me.
I hope you enjoyed this video. It's not that difficult to make, as you can see. You just need to have the right recipe and the ingredients. And the cooking method is also very important. I hope you'd really try this at home and enjoy the flavor and the spiciness of the octopus at home. And don't drink too much. Till next time.